Hi, in this video we want to see how to open a new Writer document. So if you first open LibreOffice, you have a window like that. You have more options from here. You can click here. Also you have the file menu, new text document, or file, new, and you can see here you have a shortcut, Ctrl+N. So if I press Ctrl+N, I have a new Writer document. If I am in the document, in an existing document, and I want to open a new one, the same method. I have the file menu, new text document. I have the shortcut, Ctrl+N. You can see the shortcut. Or I can press file, new text document. Or the third method is the icon here. I can choose a different kind of document, but if I want a new text document, I can press directly on this icon. No, not here. So directly on this icon, and I have a new file. Another way of using a new document, it's not on a default one like this one, a white page. For example, if I have a template, for example, a red document, my template is red. We have templates. We can open a document from a template. So I created a red document, this red document. If I click open, I set up some things like the font color and so on. I want in 3 columns. So every time I want to use this template, I go to templates from here, or I can go to file, templates, manage templates, or I have a shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+N. So I have this manager for template, and I can choose by categories, my templates, so the templates that I have created, business, and so on, drawings, just text document. I want just the red ones, and so on. So it's very easy to open a new document in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.